Okay, so it's recording.
Okay, so we have, this is the liver, right? And then underneath, this will be the stomach. And the, which one is this?
The spleen,
right? And then the pancreas is the chewed up looking thing, that right there. And then, so this is the cecum, right?
Yeah.
And then the small intestine, and the large intestine, and this is the rectum. We have a male here as our little specimen. This is the bladder, right?
Uh-huh.
And the kidneys are back here. There's one here,
Kidneys.
and one there. And obviously this is the lungs. I said obviously like it was some audience. And then this is the diaphragm and the heart.
The heart.
Up here, this is the no, this is the trachea in the front,
trachea,
right?
yeah.
And then the esophagus.
We didn't cut it that good, so.
Yeah. The esophagus is back there in the mess of things. And then she said if we had a female, the uterine tubes would be right here on the side. But we have a male, so his testes are down here and they haven't developed or whatever. What else do we need?
We need the thyroid and the thymus.
Okay, well those... Wait, where was the thyroid again?
The thyroid was on top of
the esophagus?
The trachea.
Yeah, because I think ours... This might be...
I think that's it right there.
One of them. I think this is the thyroid? Or
that's the thyroid.
Okay.
That's the one that's on top of the trachea.
Okay. What else do we need? Gallbladder is in the liver. Oh yeah.
Oh, we didn't find the gallbladder.
It's right back here. I think that's the gallbladder, I'm pretty sure. Don't you think?
Yep. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's the gallbladder.
This is so exciting. I'm enjoying this. Okay. Let's see. We found the spleen and the liver, the diaphragm, the intestines, the esophagus, the stomach, ovaries. Okay, that's all found. I think we have pretty much everything.
The vena cava?
I don't remember exactly, but there's somewhere.
It's the one that goes like all the way down, remember? But
in the heart, right?
Yeah, but it would be like underneath the heart, wouldn't it? Like right there, that's going down.
That might be it, actually. I think you're right.
Yeah, I think that's
baby
the
heart.
cava.
Okay. I think we have everything, dude. I think we're pretty set on this. It's kind of exciting. Can I make them dance?